Hello guys, Nick Z. It's a short little video for Itsu from the forum for helping me out on this TL494 circuit. I've done a few things to it, but right now it's running from 24 volts through these two little resistors right here, 10Ks. And I disconnected for the time being the two diodes that were across the source and drains. I can't hardly see them right now, but I've got one leg disconnected. So just want to make sure that they're not, causing some problems. The TL circuit, this guy here, it's the same basically. I did change the pot. This guy here to a 50K, just to make sure that it wasn't the pot that was wrong. And turned out to be the number 2 pin that was supposed to be connected to the other 3 pins. Let's see if I can do it. So anyway, these 3 pins right in here were supposed to be connected to the number 2 pin, and it wasn't. So I connected it up, and I got the signals back. The signals are these are the signals here. The upper one is one set and the other is the other set, so you can see that they're not firing at the same time. So that part is good. And then I can, with this, I found a little bit fatter screwdriver here. Let me see if I can adjust the doesn't slide off quite as bad as the other one. But I'll be adjusting the duty cycle right now, so I can adjust it to more or less full duty cycle right in there somewhere. That's full the brake stops. Okay, the other way, going back the other way around on the duty cycle. Hang on. Alright. Okay, so you can see the duty cycle's going down to basically nothing. So I have no glitches or anything else. So I'm building it back up here, building it back up. Okay, so I suspect that where I'm going to use it is somewhere like this. So right now I'm going to take the frequency pot and go up on the frequency higher and higher, all the way up. This is all the way up now. And I don't know if you can make out these readings. So that's what we got right there, and then I can drop them down. Hang on a second. Still hard doing this with one hand, so I'm dropping them down, dropping them down, dropping them down, dropping them, and dropping them. So more or less about there is probably where I'd need them, so I'm going to keep it there. So more or less that's the duty cycle that I would need, and that's more or less, I don't know if it's a frequency or if it's too low, but it's a good starting point. So anyway, so that's the setup right now. I'm taking the 12 volts from this point right here. This little green wire is connected to this filter here, and it's going into the two little resistors that are going into the FETs. I know you can't You can't hardly make it out, but that's the situation down in there. So the two diodes on their side, they're kind of tilted on their side, are just waiting to see what's going on. So I thought I'd try it this way, and I get perfect signals. I'm not sure with those diodes on or not if the signals would be the same, but I think they are the same. But I forget exactly. In any case, I thought I'd make that little video for Itsu and thank him again for all his help. I know he went through some considerable time and effort to help me out on this, and I'm still working on this part of it, which, you know, to keep those FETs from heating up. There seems to be some little something up with that, but at least I got the signals up and at them, and they're looking pretty good. I can adjust them up and down however I want. So that part I think is okay. Now it's just finding out what's heating up the FETs, and I don't know. Also, this yoke, I've wound my yoke. All of the turns are starting from the left going to the right, and it's clockwise, all of them. So the primary is that way, both the first primary, this part here, as well as the secondary part of the primary, the second primary. So they're both 12 turns, and they're both, I believe they're all the same direction. It's kind of hard to tell, but I'll check it out even better. So, and then the 3 turn is this one here, and it's also wound clockwise. So I don't know, maybe that's a problem, maybe it shouldn't be that way. You guys let me know what you think there, okay? And again, Itsu and all the rest of the guys, TK and Burpees, Hopies, Apecore, and all the rest of the guys, thanks a bunch for your help, guys.